So motion design is something that has actually been around for a very long time. There are many different ways of creating different motion design, and the ways that I guess are very popular now are created and constructed in something called either Apple Motion, which is a program, After Effects, which is something that I'm really familiar with, and then there's a lot of other programs that are ideally along the same lines as those two programs. Motion is good because it's like the new Flash. A lot of people, and Flash isn't bad, a lot of people used to make a lot of different web elements and banner ads and different motion videos from Flash. And the good thing about Flash is that it's easy to get into it. It's a whole bunch of different layers and you put together a movie. The bad part is that it's becoming a little outdated in a sense that it's not accessible on iOS devices, and I don't think it ever will be because of Apple. Probably can't say that. But you can access it on Android. But it's also hard to edit something like Flash because it is like a movie. So there's different ways of going about it and different ways of creating motion. The biggest thing is having the vision. The biggest thing is having the vision and having the voice or having the message as to what you want to say or what your client wants to say, and being able to keyframe it out accordingly so that you know how to design for it. So, for example, if there's a company that maybe wants to talk about, water conservation, then instead of putting together like an expensive commercial, you can put together a motion video that says it in a fun way how we can save water or how we can do different, basically push different initiatives to help get your point across through typography, design, and motion. So motion is definitely becoming a big thing, especially because you can see it on different devices if you create it in something other than Flash. But motion design, while very meticulous because of the different parts that are involved in it, can be very successful in helping you to talk about your brand, talk about your purpose, and spread the word.